Hi, my name's Danny and I'm from a project called We Be Kids. We Be Kids provide outdoor nature-based resources to help boost family well-being. In this resource today, I'm going to show you how we can take a simple piece of wood like this and turn it into a usable mallet. You want to try and choose a type of wood that is easy to work with. Any kinds of softwood are really difficult because they have a lot of sap in them and also lots of knots too. So a nice straight piece with very few knots is ideal. So for this resource we're going to need a few simple materials. We're going to use a couple of tools: fixed blade knife, pruning saw. We've got an old mallet here, but a piece of wood is totally fine as well. We're going to use a piece of wood for making the mallet, which is about 5 hands in length, and it needs to be a good thickness because this is going to be the head of the mallet. We're also going to use some gloves for PPE. So to begin with, I'm going to measure 1 fist length. I'm going to take my saw and I'm just going to mark it with the pruning saw. And then I'm going to cut into the wood about 3 centimeters deep, and then I'm going to turn it. And the aim here is to make the cut all the way around so that it joins up on the other side. So we've got it joined there. We're just going to go around, make sure that we've got it about 3 centimeters deep. You can go deeper if you like, but this is going to be the depth from the mallet head to the handle. Once you're happy with the depth, we're then going to measure another fist. We're going to take our pruning saw and we're going to cut again. This time we're going to cut all the way through. You end up with 2 pieces of wood. Like that. We're now just going to work with this section here. So once we're left with this piece of wood with the cut all the way round, what we're going to do next is we're going to start to remove sections using a fixed blade knife to reveal our handle. We just chip away, we can see here that it's starting to leave that edge, which is where our handle will be. Be sure not to take huge pieces as you do this. If you put your knife too far back, you run the risk of splitting right through and cutting your mallet into 2. So now we're starting to see how this is going to evolve into the mallet. So as you can see now, the mallet is beginning to take shape. You can see the edge to the mallet head and the handle, starting to get a nice feel for how you would hold it. What I'm going to do next is I'm just going to begin to tidy this up and make it fit my hand, and then if you like you can also whittle the edge as well. So whether you're going out camping or you're putting up a shelter in the woods, now you have your very own mallet as part of your kit. So our mallet is having its first adventure. We've got our shelter up, we've got a cup of tea, we're about to get out our cake and enjoy the woods. So we hope you found this resource useful and you can make your own mallet.